Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the Vampire Tools Pliers. These are the 10-inch Python pliers. I picked these up as a replacement for the Irwin Vice Grip Groove Lock pliers. There's nothing wrong with these. I've been using them for close to a decade. And if you're familiar with the channel, you know I'm a big fan of these pliers for one reason, and that's this right here. You can close them without pushing the button. To open them, you got to push the button, but you can pull them down shut. And I finally found another pair that do that, and that's these Vampires. Just pull them down, so I really like that. We're going to go ahead and take a closer look at these pliers. Before we do, let's take a quick look at the package. Vampire Tools, made in Taiwan. Here's the model number and a few of the specifications. Over in the back, there's a lineup of related tools. All these are made in Japan except for these right here and the Pythons. These are made in Taiwan. Let's take a quick look at the dimensions. With them closed, you're looking at 9.5 inches long and about 2 1/4 wide. That's with them closed. With them open all the way, at the longest point, you're looking at 11.5 inches, and the bite is right at 2 1/4. And these are 9-position pliers. This is the open position, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's your 9 positions. Let's take a look at the inside real quick. Here are the vertical serrations for screw extractions. I don't know if that's in focus, but those will help you extract a strip screw. And here's a look at the bite itself. They bite down nice and flat. They actually line up really good. Here's the back of the pliers. Here's that mechanism again that I was talking about. You can slide them forward. And the grip, they got a really nice grip to them. It kind of feels like the grip that's on the Weehaw pump pliers. Very similar. Here's a closer look at that grip. I don't know if the texture's in focus, but that's the texture on it. And they do have some contours right here, so they will fit nicely in the hand. And overall, I'm really impressed with these pliers. They have a good premium feel to them. I was a little bit skeptical at first because I've never used anything from Vampire, but I've done my research and the company seems pretty legit. And they do have a 5-year warranty. When you buy them, just make sure you scan this barcode and it'll redirect you to their warranty site so you can go ahead and register the warranty. But if you have any questions about these pliers or anything else you see on the channel, let me know down in the comments. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.